This is what I call syndicated justice. Well, first let me talk about the Judicial and Bar Council. The Judicial and Bar Council was established precisely to isolate that council from politics. Unfortunately, I think since its inception, it has not done so. One of the reasons I believe that that is the case is because all the members of that council are lawyers. And as lawyers, we all know that it is very susceptible to what is known otherwise as the old boys network. Which is why one of our proposals is that the Judicial and Bar Council should be opened not only to lawyers but to other sectors of society who have just as much of an interest as lawyers do. Second, the integrated bar of the Philippines. Now, many of you are not members of the bar here, but if I were talking to lawyers, I would probably ask them, does the IBP really reflect your interest? Does it really represent your interest? Most of the practitioners I have spoken to will say no. And if you ask them why, and if you probe very deeply into it, what will come out? Most of the time, this organization is controlled by fraternities, which gives rise to the question, should the National Association of Lawyers of the Philippines be in the hands of a frat or any organization? It does not have to be a frat. I do not think that that is conducive to the development of the bar. And the third situation where we see a lot of syndicated justice is in litigation, where both influence and money are used to change the outcome of a case. There is really a need for us to re-examine the composition and structure and operation of the JBC as well as the IBP. One word that I recall so many times over the last 10 years whenever I talk about the JBC is the word backer. And I wonder why. Why does a judge have to have a backer? For as long as that kind of system is in place, we will never have an independent judiciary.